the Leqismart A8. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Leqismart A8 electric scooter. Here's a look at how the scooter comes when it's delivered. Inside you can see how it's packaged. You get the charger, user guide, screws, and an Allen key. There's very minimal assembly required, and all you have to do is connect the wire from the handlebars to the stem. Insert the handlebars in the stem and then secure it with the 6 screws on the back and on the sides, and that's all to it. And just to go over some specs, this comes in 2 colors, gray black and a pure white. The scooter has an automotive grade integrated die-cast aluminum frame, 350 watt motor with a peak power of 630 watts, 374 watt-hour battery, and it takes 5.5 hours to charge, LCD display with app integration, disc brakes and electronic brakes, 9-inch tubeless tires, 15.5 mph top speed, and the range of up to 25 miles. It has front lights, side deck lights, and rear brake lights. It weighs in at 34 pounds. And here's a look at the overall dimensions. Some additional features include a gyroscope which will turn off the output if the tires are off the ground, and it helps with speed regulations during uphill and down slopes. It has an optical sensor that will automatically turn on the lights and smart turn signals. A walkthrough around the scooter, you can see that it has a front headlight on the top. By the front section it has the fenders, the 9-inch wheels, along with the charging port just on the bottom. The deck has a rubberized surface, and towards the rear you can see the buckle that the stem will attach to when folded, the rear motor, disc brakes, and rear light. The lower part of the stem you have the lever so you can fold and unfold the stem. In the handlebar area you'll see the brake lever, bell, display, throttle, and folding hook. Turning on the display you can see it's bright. Pressing the power button again you can toggle the odometer and speed view, and double pressing it will switch the gear modes from low, medium, and high. A short press will turn on the lights, and you can see the front headlight, deck lights, rear light, and the reactive brakes. And this is how the bell sounds. And as mentioned earlier, this has app integration. Once you're connected to the app, you can see the battery levels, mileage, adjust the modes and features, and change the units. Now to unfold the scooter, basically you just have to unhook it here from the side. It hooks to the back right here. Bring up the stem, and then you want to bring up the latch here. And that's pretty much it. And then to unfold it, just press down on this red button, and then you can pull the latch down and bring down the stem and lock it into place. Now I'll take out the scooter for a test ride. I'll test it out on rough terrain, go uphill, downhill, test out the acceleration, and give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. This trail is pretty bumpy, so I'm going to just take it down and let's see how it handles. I'm going to keep it on the high mode. All right, here we go. You can see it's handling the bumps pretty well here. Now I'm going to go up this hill. This trail has a nice gradual incline. Let's see if it can maintain the speed or if it loses speed. I'm going to keep it on high. So here we go. All right, we're doing about 11 miles right now, 12 miles per hour. I'm making it up the hill, but losing a little bit of speed here. So we're down to 10. Picking up a little bit more speed here. All right, not bad. So it did make it up the hill, did about 10 to 13 miles per hour. So it kind of fluctuated, but it had enough power, so it's not bad at all. All right, let's see how it does downhill now. Definitely gonna pick up some speed, so let's see how it does. All right, we're at 15 miles per hour, just like that. So 15 miles per hour and holding steady here. Now I'm going to do the acceleration test. Let's see how fast it can go. I'm going to start off with the low, go to the medium, and then the high. So there's 3 settings. So basically you just have to double click to switch through the different modes. Okay, this is on the L mode now. So L mode, really slow here. So it's about 3 miles per hour. So it's more of like a pedestrian mode, you know, when you're around pedestrians in a crowded space. So 3 miles per hour on the L mode. All right, the second mode, M, picking up some speed now. 9 miles per hour right now. So tops off at 9. And switching to the H mode. "12, 13, 14, and 15. So it tops off at 15 miles per hour on the high mode. Here are my thoughts on the scooter. You can be up and running in no time, and there's not much to the assembly process. The build and quality is solid. The scooter feels sturdy and well built, with some good weight to it. It had no imperfections or damage during the shipping process. I like the lighting all around, and the red disc brake caliper in the rear gives it a nice sporty look. The ride was pretty smooth for its design, and the air-filled tires absorb a lot of the bumps. It's definitely not meant to go off-road, but it will have no problems handling the minor bumps. The deck has a decent grip and overall length is about average. The stem and handlebars felt stable throughout my testing. It felt tight and not loose at all, and very stable. The only thing I found difficult is the folding lock mechanism. It's a bit tight when you're trying to unfold or fold the stem, and it's a bit hard to grip. The 350 watt motor with a peak of 630 watt I felt was adequate. It is a bit slow going when you're going up hills, especially with higher slopes, and it may struggle a bit. But on normal flat surfaces, it performed well. The motor is quiet and smooth when it's operating. I like that you have the option for the 3 modes, the L, M, and H. During my testing, I was able to reach the advertised speed of 15.5 miles per hour top speed, and this has a range of 25 miles. The brakes have good stopping power and they grabbed on quick. The LCD display is bright and easy to read, very intuitive, and I like the app integration. The lights are also a plus as it gives you visibility in the evenings. Overall, I feel this is a solid scooter and can be great for the beginners, or if you're budget conscious. The build and ride doesn't disappoint. It has a portability and can be great for that last mile commute or just use for pleasure. So that is my review of the Leqismart A8 electric scooter. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.